Hello everyone, myself Sinchana. I am studying in 9th standard Dvani classes Javargi. Today our topic on motion. What is motion? When an object changes its position with respect to time is called motion. In motion there are some quantities that are distance, displacement, speed, velocity and acceleration. What is distance? In motion there are some quantities that are distance, displacement, speed, velocity and acceleration. And what is distance? The actual path covered by an object is called the distance. The actual path covered by an object is called distance. The SI unit of distance is meter. And distance is a scalar quantity because it is having only magnitude but it is not have a direction. Then what is displacement? If it is the shortest distance between initial point and final point covered by an object is called displacement. It is the shortest distance between initial point and final point of an object is called displacement. The SI unit of displacement is meter. And displacement is a vector quantity because it is having magnitude and direction. And speed, what is speed? Speed is a speed andre ಏನು? Speed, it is the distance covered by an object per unit time is called speed. The distance covered by an object per unit time is called speed. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. The SI unit of speed is written by meter per second. This type and this type. And speed is a scalar quantity because it is having only magnitude but it is not having direction. Next, velocity. What is velocity? The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Displacement per unit time is called velocity. The rate of change of displacement per unit time is called velocity, and the SI unit of velocity is meter per second. And velocity is a vector quantity because it is having magnitude and direction. First, the types of speed. In speed there are two types: uniform speed and non-uniform speed. Uniform speed, if an object covers by an equal distance in equal interval of time, is called uniform speed. Non-uniform speed, it is if an object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, is called non-uniform speed. Then types of velocity. There are two types of velocity, uniform velocity and non-uniform velocity. If an object covers by equal displacement in equal interval of time, is called uniform velocity. If an object covered by an object unequal displacement in equal interval of time, is called non-uniform velocity. And what is acceleration? The rate of change of velocity per unit time is called acceleration. and the SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. And acceleration is the vector quantity because it is having both the magnitude and direction. Then the formula of acceleration is acceleration equal to change in velocity divided by time. It is written by v minus a equal to v minus u by t. In acceleration there are two types, uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. If an object it covers equal velocity in equal interval of time is called uniform acceleration, and non-uniform acceleration it is covered by an unequal velocity in equal interval of time is called non-uniform acceleration. Thank you.